Okay, we start again where we were the last time. We were in the lesson 3. We were around variable, if you remember. Okay, if you remember where we were, now we will do something. We will begin to do some scripting, and we will begin to see what we can't do with PHP. You see, here I am trying to get the temperature in Houston, Houston, Texas. I have the weather, broken clouds, and temperature. I do that only trying to. I will show you the code. Doing that only asking to a website, a free website. You see here. I only ask to a website what is the weather in Houston, and the website give me back informations and give me back informations in an object. Okay. For the moment, we won't see what is in an object because we don't have enough knowledge to do that. But what is important for me is to see that I have the weather, broken cloud, no problem, but I have the temperature in Kelvin, which is a scientific temperature measure when you do some scientific calculations. Then I need to convert this temperature from Kelvin to Fahrenheit. Okay, let's go back. I close that for the moment. We had the string here, the variable here, and we will begin to play with variable. For that, we will create a new script. The new script you will create, you will name it temperature. Okay. We will assign, like we did before with variable 1, temperature to 322 Kelvin, and we don't forget the colon. Okay, here. And we want now to convert this temperature to Fahrenheit. Then we want to convert this temperature to Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. Sorry if it's not good, but I have some difficulties with Fahrenheit. Okay, to do that, what we do? Finally, we go to internet and we search for formula from convert Kelvin to Fahrenheit. Okay. Yeah, correct me. Okay, donc we have the 302.22 Fahrenheit, which is give about 80 Fahrenheit. Okay, how to convert Kelvin to Fahrenheit? In fact, what we are doing is the typical stuff you do when you have a problem with coding. You have the problem, you search if someone solves the problem. You search if someone has a magic formula. You search. You don't need to be afraid to search on the internet because it's where you will find the majority of your answer. Okay, we have the formula here. Then the formula is this one. Okay? Then the temperature in Fahrenheit will be what? Will be the temperature in Kelvin multiplied by 9 divided by 5 minus 459 extra. Okay? And we echo now, like we know, we echo the result. Okay? Then here it's a bullet point. Then now we take our stuff. We go back to video lessons. You didn't have the script get weather for the moment. It was only to illustrate why I'm searching for temperature. It could be an example to what to do. And I click on temperature and I have the result. Now I do this video to show you how to use a function, because what we want to do is to use a function. Then I will add a new script doing function. Okay. The function will convert Kelvin to Fahrenheit, and I put as input the temperature. I need only after to copy the formula. Okay. You need to have the same variable here because you are using it. It's a variable you will have in input. A function is done to void to do many times the same thing. For example, if I have a temperature 2 equal to nanana, I will have to tape again all the formula, and the only thing that I want to do is to solve one time the function. It should do that only one time, because I am lazy and a good developer is lazy. Then I want to do that one time. Then I will use function. Okay. Then I will have. We will see what we will have after. Okay. I do the function, and I return the value. Here it's the name of the function, it's what you want, but try to give a name of the function that means something. Here it's a function, it's the syntax for the function in PHP, and the function open with a bracket and end with a bracket, and execute all the code between the two brackets only. It means that if there is other thing after, the other thing won't be executed when we will call the function. Then we take the function and we add it here, and we take the temperature we add, and we will try to see if the function give back the good result. We'll see that in one moment. We need also to include the function. It's what we do doing that. We use the command include, and this command include will include all this text, finally, all this code at the beginning of these files. Then you can after call the function, because you see that convert char to if. It's the name of the function. You send a variable. The variable could be the variable you want. It's not necessary the same name here and the same name here. Here you could change the name. For example, my temp, and here my temp. Okay. You need only to use the input variable inside the formula. Here it's to return back the result to the color. What we name the color, it's here. Here we have the color, and we return back here, and we give the value returned back by the function. We did that to temperature 2. Okay, then just test what happened. Okay, result with here is that, and result with the function is that. Then it's good, it's perfect, because now we can use this function for further purpose, and we can begin to batch. It means to do to use this function perhaps in 20, 30, 1000, 2000 temperature, and now we have the tools to do that. And I give you an appointment with the next lessons where we will see what is an array, because we will use array with this